Hi, Emma.
Hi.
Today we're gonna be playing Tower of Hell, but a different kind. Yeah, but look, there's a secret. Emma, show them. Wait. Oh, okay, I'm coming. Okay, ready to see it? You can go on the glowing part, guys. So these people are noobs. They don't know what to do. I'm on the orangey part. Oh.
Okay, keep going.
I'm gonna show off to everyone like I'm so cool.
Oh yeah, and there's also another secret place. Go all the
Where?
way down.
Okay. This place?
No.
What is
It's not a
this?
secret place, but it's another one.
Oh, is this easier one? There's another one over there. Can you do the same thing on this one?
Yeah.
How rude!
Okay.
Someone pushed me. Okay, someone didn't push me, but
You
like.
can do the same thing. Look, over here.
Wow, people are noobs.
I think. Oh, there's another one over here.
I know. Okay, I think this is the last one. Wow, people are so noobs. There's a bacon here, really. He doesn't know what to do.
Oh, I think this is hard.
I think this.
The other one was just medium.
I think this is easy for me.
Huh?
I think this is easy for me.
Kind of.
How rude!
Someone pushed me.
Ow! That's so rude. How rude! People are so rude. A bacon here really pushed me all the way down.
I'm crying. Oh my god.
How rude!
I almost pooped on myself.
Oh,
I'm going to the easy one.
I'm going to the hard. I'm at the hard one.
I'm not.
I can't jump at that part. How rude! I'm going back to the easy. What? This tower difficulty. Oh yeah, it says on the signs. This tower is difficulty, medium. On the signs things. So.
It does?
It does.
Mm-hmm.
So
This one says it's easy.
Yeah. So this is the easy tower.
Wait, you're at the easy?
Yeah, I'm at the easy.
I'm at the easy.
Why do we have to walk all the way to the easy tower?
I know, but it's cool because we can just walk.
We can just exercise. Girls, move! Oh my god, I almost fell. That'll be epic.
Or if we get everything. Come on.
Oh, I will play this game every day now. If that happened. No?
I want to see what happens when we make it to the top.
Yeah, it doesn't restart or anything.
I know. And it doesn't give us the timer.
Wow, there's blondies, there's bacon hairs. Wow, they don't know what to do.
Wow.
Girls!
Well, we always say wow when there's a new.
Because it's like wow. Like wow.
Wow.
They're such a noob.
Look at that noob. That ugly
Girl, like, oh, someone pushed me all the way down.
noob. Who would like him?
Who would like her?
Down.
I just fell all the way to the orange. I'm at the purple right now. Did not know. Oh, how rude! Yeah, you don't have to do it.
Actually moving.
But sometimes you have to jump on stuff.
Yeah, some people are jumping. Little do they know you can't.
You don't have to jump.
Huh?
You don't have to jump, I said. You
Yeah.
can just walk on the orange. Hurt.
I'm on the pink. Oh my god. No, I fell all the way down.
Did someone push me? You?
Yeah, someone pushed me.
Oh, bro. People are so
I'm
bad.
at the pink again.
I'm at the purple. How are you at the pink?
I don't know. I just possibly came here. Oh no, I fell all the way down.
What if they gave us free gravity coil?
One is B, one is. Oh no, I fell all the way down. I was at the blue. I was at the light blue. I just needed 2 more stages.
No.
Why are people always pushing me? This is not fair. I just fell all the way down to the yellow. Should we play Tower of Medium? Because they have a gravity coil.
If you want to, I mean. Wait.
I want to see what happens when we finish this.
Okay, we can still play this game.
I'm getting tired of walking
Me too.
and jumping.
Wait, I'm almost to the. I saw someone that looked like you.
That's not me.
I'm on the pink. I'm on the pink. See me? I'm on the pink. I'm on the pink. What?
You won't believe that. Okay,
What?
so I got a notification on my mom's phone about the weather, and it says breaking news.
Oh my god! I fell all the way to the orange. What?
I'm gonna read it to you. It says breaking news. And it says it's going to be flooding.
What?
It's going to be flooding.
It
It says it's going to be flooding.
It
And
is?
rainfall. Expected into Sunday.
Oh no. We gotta warn our parents about that.
I know. Look, can you see it? Is my screen paused?
Yes, I see it. I see it.
You see it?
Yeah, I
Do you
do.
see that?
Mhm.
Show the camera so the other people can see it.
Okay, look guys, if you're watching this video right now, watch.
If you're in Texas, tell your parents right now.
Look, like there. Wait. I gotta show you guys. Wait.
That's crazy.
Look, guys. It says literally notification. It's gonna be flooding on.
Look, can you see that?
See, guys. Let me show you again. Look.
Because it turned outside.
Look, guys.
Look,
It's so crazy.
I'm serious.
Actually,
It says breaking news. And Texas is going to be flooding and a rainfall.
that's really scary, guys.
Expected into Sunday.
That's really scary.
Tomorrow. It's tomorrow because today's Saturday.
Oh my God, we gotta warn our parents about that today.
Yeah, because right now it's Saturday. And tomorrow,
We're not joking, guys.
it's Sunday.
We're not joking.
We're not joking. This is actually my mom's phone. This is real.
Oh.
I just heard thunder.
Oh no. That's bad. Like
I know.
bad. Guys, we're not
Start flooding.
Guys, we're not joking. We're not
It's
joking.
gonna start flooding in Texas for the first time. So if you're in Texas, tell your parents right now.
Yeah, cause tomorrow was Sunday.
Yeah, and today's Saturday. If you don't believe us, check your phone. Or
Yeah.
iPad, or anything.
If you don't believe us, then you're crazy.
Then you're crazy. Check your notifications. If you got it, then please tell us.
I didn't get it, but like that is crazy.
Addison, when I watch our videos together, I don't hear my voice for some reason.
Oh yeah, because you talk. It doesn't let you. It doesn't talk very good. So,
Oh,
like,
okay. So if you can't hear my voice,
this is serious. That is serious.
Addison said everything that I said So if you can hear me, then good. Because I'm literally screaming. It's gonna start flooding in Texas for the first time.
I'm scared.
I know.
Are you sure that was today?
I'm sure. Look.
Mm,
Look, it says it says 3 minutes ago.
Someone made it?
Look. Yeah, but look. It says 4 minutes ago.
4?
4 minutes ago. Look. Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Do you see it over
Wait.
here?
Oh my god.
It said 4 minutes
Wait,
ago.
let me see it. Let me see it. Wait. Let me see. Hold on. It's blurry.
That's weird. My mom.
I think I saw 3 months ago.
I swear. It says 4 minutes ago.
I thought it said 3 months ago.
No, it says 4 months ago. It's 4 minutes ago.
Okay, we had to warn our parents about that. Because today was rain.
That's crazy.
Okay, guys, I think we're going to end this video right here. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button out. And let's goodbye.
Bye.